So now you are ready to go a little bit deeper and learn some more things about adjective clauses. So remember, an adjective clause will start with a relative pronoun. So it could be who, as in the singer Who You Like is coming to town. It could be which, as in a topic which I enjoy is philosophy. Or it could be that. The person that called was your coach. But it's very common to drop the relative pronoun, especially when you're speaking. So, the singer Who You Like, we said the first time, but it's common to say the singer you like is coming to town. We still have an adjective clause with you like, but we dropped that pronoun who. That's fine. So before we said a topic which I enjoy, but again, it's very common to drop that pronoun, so I can just say a topic I enjoy. This is still my adjective clause, but I dropped the pronoun. But sometimes you can't drop the pronoun. Sometimes it's a mistake. So if I said the person called was your coach, that would be wrong. I have to say the person that called or the person who called. So how can you tell the difference? If the relative clause is the subject of your adjective clause, you can't drop it. So that was a previous video talking about subject relative clauses and object relative clauses. But even if you didn't fully understand that part, don't worry. I think it'll be clear. Okay? Just remember that your clause needs a subject. So your adjective clause needs a subject. The person who called was your coach. In this clause, who called was your coach. Where's the verb? Called. Where's the subject? It looks like you don't have a subject, but you do. The subject is who in your clause. If this is your subject of your clause, you can't drop it because you need a subject. I am the one who did all the work in my group. Have you ever felt like that? I know I have. So, who did all the work in my group? Where's the verb? In my clause. It's not work. In this case, work is a noun. It's did. So here's my verb. Where's my subject in my clause? It looks like I don't have one, but who is actually the subject in this clause? Who did? So in these sentences, who is taking the place of the word person. So person called, but we don't want to say person 2 times, right? So this becomes the subject of the clause. Same thing here. We don't want to say one 2 times. So who becomes the subject of my clause. If who is your subject, or if that, or if which, if those are your subject in your clause, you can't drop them. Let's look at another example now. The thing that caused all of our problems was wind. So in our clause, where's the verb? Caused. What caused? What's the subject? The subject in the clause is that. Okay? It's replacing the word thing. We don't want to repeat the word thing. And so that becomes our subject, and we cannot drop our pronoun. On the other side of things, if there is another subject in the clause, subject in the clause besides the relative pronoun, you can drop it. So the problem that I had has gone away. In this clause, that I had, we have a very clear subject, I. So we can drop the pronoun. We don't need it. The problem I had has gone away. I'm worried about the sound that your printer is making. Okay? In this clause, where is your subject and your verb? We have your printer is our subject and is making is the verb. So we have a very clear subject here. So that is free to drop. We don't need it. I'm worried about the sound your printer is making. Okay, your turn. Can we drop the relative pronoun? Yes or no? I hate the microwave that I bought. Can I drop that relative pronoun that? Yes, I hate the microwave I bought. So when I drop the that, I still have a subject, I. Did you forget the food that you were cooking? What do you think? Can I drop the relative pronoun? Yes. Did you forget the food you were cooking? I still have a clear subject in my adjective clause right here, food. Let's try a couple more. We need the book that has the blue cover. Can we drop our relative pronoun that? No! The relative pronoun is the subject of the sentence. If we took it out, it would say, we need the book has the blue cover. Sounds weird, right? Next one. The person who knows me best is my husband. Can we say the person knows me best is my husband? No. That relative pronoun is the subject of your adjective clause. You have to keep it. All right? I hope that makes things more clear for you as you move forward and practice the rest of this lesson. Good luck.